by LOLC Kenya Microfinance PLC. Team Kenya, over to you.
Morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone joining us from all around the world. I'm Manoj Bandara, Head of IT. Innovate at the edge, secure the core is a critical principle in the emerging AI autonomous era. As Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, once said, every company is a software company. On the first day of Confernce, Mr. Conrad further emphasized how technology is becoming business itself and how organizations are shifting from business-led technology to technology-led business. At LOLC Kenya, we embrace this mindset by transforming our traditional banking operations into a digital-first organization. Today, I want to share more than a technology success story. I want to share how a bold decision transformation our business, improve our customer experience, and created a blueprint that can be replicated across our 26 countries. I'll walk you through the problem we solved and the challenges we faced, our innovative solutions, the business impact, and the tangible result we achieved, the strategic alignment that positions LOLC for the future, finally, its replicability across other countries. Before new core banking system implementation, we held back by legacy system was developed using Visual Basic 6.0. Previously, our core banking platform was bottleneck, and in year 2021, DD report recommendation was to change the core banking system at the earliest. Our first challenge was slow loan processing and disbursement. A customer applying for a loan had to visit the branch physically, complete paper-based documentation, and wait while the application moved through the multiple approval stages. What customer expected to be completed in minutes often took days. The second main challenge was inefficient operational processes. Critical activities such as deposit renewal, KYC update, loan data retrieval, insurance tracking. These processes consume valuable staff time, increase operational cost, and introduce unnecessary risk. Third, we face fragmented customer information. Customer data was scattered across branches and systems. Another significant challenge was inaccurate and limited reporting. Generating management reports and CRIB reporting were challenged. CRIB reporting is not done through the system. Report often lacked consistent. Critical business insights were delayed, and decision makers did not always have access to real-time information needed to drive the business forward. Finally, we struggled with limited central control. This realization became the catalyst for change. As I mentioned earlier, during our 2025 due diligence exercise, we identified several critical limitations in the legacy core banking system. These challenges were not unique to single entity. They were common across many of our organizations. Our solution. In 2025, we successfully went live with the Fusion Next core banking system and resolved most post-implementation issues within the first few months. Fusion X is a cloud-native, AI-ready core banking platform that helps banks innovate faster, scale securely, and deliver seamless digital banking experience. Its open API-driven architecture enables rapid integration with the fintechs and enterprise system, while the orchestration engine automates end-to-end banking processes. For example, in our bank, we launched customer onboarding integrated with mobile money services, automated KYC, loan approvals, and introduced new product in weeks instead of months. It enabled us to quickly launch new products such as Drive to Own and Fleet to Own. FusionX replaced our legacy co-enabled real-time digital onboarding, integrated mobile money M-Pesa, and automated loan, CASA, and TD management, creating a unified cloud-native banking platform. Let's break down the key pillars of the platform. Cloud-native core banking, we moved away from batch processing to real-time ledger. This means every transaction, a deposit, a loan repayment, and an interest calculation is updated instantly. It provides a single source of truth across CASA, term deposit, and loan accounts. Mobile first and M-Pesa integration. In Kenya, mobile money is not just a convenience. It's the backbone of the financial ecosystem. We built a deep, seamless integration with M-Pesa directly into FusionX. The automated workflow engine, it automates the entire customer lifecycle from automate loan processing. We digitize the entire workflow. Finally, real-time analytics and reporting. Finally, we have democratized data. Our batch managers now have access to live portfolio dashboard, which generate reports including complex regulatory reports for the central bank in minutes, not days. Furthermore, it comes with Copilot feature for reporting, company health check, integrated recovery module, and upcoming AI agent and many more. With FusionX, we have evolved from traditional branch banking to a modern satellite branch model, expanding rapidly into a Nakuru and Mombasa. FusionX integrates everything, as I mentioned, core banking, mobile banking, and third-party services into a one seamless environment, covered our previous issue of API integration. This is screenshot showcase several modules, including upcoming AI agent capabilities, also feature a Copilot function that can be generate reports and monitor the overall health of the organization with that dashboards. These screenshots highlights the key features of our integrated mobile banking and mobile money platform. Business impact result. Ideas are important, but results are everything. We are seeking a 60 to 80% reduction in cost and time across the key processes. Our loan disbursement turnaround time, a critical metric for our business, has been reduced from 2 to 5 days, less than 1 day. This isn't just a minor improvement, it's a game changer for us. What does this impact look like in practice? Today, a customer can apply a drive-to-own loan and any other loan with all documents and receive approval in hours instead of days with board approvals. This has translated into increased loan volumes. Beyond the customer-facing benefit, the operational improvements are just as impressive. Regulatory CRB reports for all 3 credit bureaus are now submitted on time, every time, and automated. Arrears and management reports that once took hours or even days are now generated within minutes. The reported are shared within the relevant staff every morning, empowering faster decision making and more effective daily planning. We achieve improved data accuracy and drastically reduce manual intervention. FusionX hasn't just improved the process, it has unlocked new business value. These are the high demand products I mentioned earlier. These charts highlight our strong portfolio and disbursement growth, particularly after 2025. As typical outcome of a modern core banking implementation, our profitability has shown consistent growth since 2025, driven by improved operational efficiency, digital capabilities, and management decisions. Innovation and technical excellence. Our approval was fundamentally redefined. The role of core banking, most of our services are now hosted in cloud and integrated. The architecture, the entire platform is built on cloud-native API-first microservices-based architecture. This isn't just technical jargon, it ensures coupling, so we can change one component without breaking the whole system. It creates a foundation for seamless interoperability. Addressing integration complexity, we integrated multiple complex systems, FusionNext, Safaricom M-Pesa, Elma Mobile Banking, and our Oracle Accounting Ledger. Why this approach? We solved this by enabling reliable and event processing to ensure data consistency, implementing measure for duplicate transaction prevention, and ensuring consistent synchronization across all integrated systems. Our architecture is designed to handle our complexity, so our business doesn't have to. The implementation is more than a core banking transformation. It is strategic investment for our future. By aligning with our group digital transformation vision, Fusion X Core Banking and its integrated mobile banking platform provide the foundation for our journey from digital banking to AI-enabled banking, preparing us for next generation of intelligent financial services. In digital first world, security and compliance are non-negotiable. As the head of IT, this was my priority. We have implemented robust multi-factor authentication, ensuring compliance with international standards such as GDPR and SOC 2 Type 2, conducting extensive vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, maintaining comprehensive audit logging, and compliant with local regulation and LOLC MBSS standards. One of the key questions for global organization is, can we do this again? The answer is resounding yes. The FusionNext transformation provides many reusable blueprints for other entities with the LOLC group. We have documented any package, most of things, core banking and mobile integration, project management documentation, incident and problem management blueprints, change management and testing strategies. This means our sister organizations into other countries doesn't have to reinvent the wheel. They can leverage our experience and our success and even our lesson learned to accelerate their own digital transformation. To ensure stability, we have robust project management, incident management, change management process in place. We can provide this support to your organization. Finally, lessons and next steps. This journey has taught us the immense value of using structured project management to ensure governance and predictable delivery. We have also learned that the strong incident management is critical for maintaining stability and trust. Our transformation is far from over. The next step, our focus on accelerating our digital ecosystem and transform from digital enabled organization. Also, we will be integrating the platform with PesaLink for the instant interbank transfers, an advanced AI-based AML system, digital lending system to move to paperless bank, and most importantly, introduce AI agent and AI-driven bank in future to further enhance automation. Thank you.
accelerate their adoption of AI, protecting data has never been more important. Organizations today must strike the right balance between innovation and trust. Our next panel discussion, Data Protection in the Age of AI, will explore how businesses can navigate this evolving landscape while ensuring that the data will remain secure, compliant, and responsibly managed. Moderating this discussion is Mrs. Lakna Dasanayaka, Data Protection Officer of LOLC Holdings PLC, and joining her on the panel are Mr. Jayanta Fernando, Director, LOLC Holdings, Mr. Kitsari Gunawardana, COO of LOLC Holdings PLC and the Chairman of General Insurance PLC. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome these distinguished panelists.